What if I told you you can make a full cinematic car video using a single image? And what if I told you you can make a full YouTube, Instagram, TikTok video in any style with just a single text? But let me tell you, there is nothing left as what if anymore, because this is real. By the end of this video, you will know how this is possible. In this video, I am comparing some industry-level AI tools with Invideo AI, while also showing you how this tool is changing video production using AI. On our AI list, we have Freepik, OpenArt, Artlist, Higgsfield, and Invideo. Starting with Freepik's powers and capabilities, it has all the majority models when it comes to image models, but I have seen some top video models that aren't present there, such as Kling 2.6 Turbo and Reeve. Well, it has a feature called Space where you can make your own workflows and wire them up with nodes and etc. to make videos and images. But it has limits. Talking about the UI, from my perspective, I saw it's pretty beginner-based, except that Space module. Now let's talk about Artlist. When it comes to powers and models, it's also limited. I saw majority text-to-image generation models like Flux, Context Pro, Seedream 4, Rev, and video models like Kling Turbo 2.5, WAN 2.5 were missing. While talking about uniqueness, it has some SFX and music-based features. The UI is minimal, pretty basic, and friendly, that's cool. Now next, OpenArt, a very strong choice. It has almost every industry-level model, not to mention, like, you can do all these things inside OpenArt. Great for image customizability. You can edit images as you want, customize anything as you want, but I think it also needs some customizability on video models, and rest is all good. Talking about the UI, I found it very solid, all the features are easy to find, like many things you can do here. Now let's talk about Higgsfield, a very strong set in order of customizability. Like, bro, it has almost top-notch models that you can tell. To be honest, except I don't see one model, Kling 2.5 Turbo there. Anyway, talking about uniqueness, it has a feature called Popcorn, where you can drag 3 to 5 images of anything as a reference, and it can create a storyboard and create different scenes with the given reference. Like, not only this, if you are a beginner, they have a wide range of trending templates that you can just use directly. Features are wide, UI experience is also good. Higgsfield is also definitely a solid choice in order to make creative content. Now Invideo. This is today's video spotlight. Talking about the models, Invideo AI has 70+ models for image, video, and audio generation. Top models like Sora, Kling, Seedream, WAN 2.5, VO3, Nano Banana Pro, Minimax Audio, Flux, and more. In case you are a beginner and don't know much about models, no problem. Invideo has the solution with their AI video feature. You just type your simple text, and Invideo automatically detects your style preference and selects models according to that, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. Not only that, with Invideo's agent and model workflow, all your generations of a particular project stay in the same place, allowing us a clean table. On the basis of stats, innovation, and UI experience, I have made a tiers for these 5 tools, where I put Freepik on C tier because of UI experience, which pretty basic, Artlist on B because of less models and controls, OpenArt on A tier, very good option and controls, and Higgsfield and Invideo on S. This is based only on my experience. Now let me show you how I created multiple video shots using this single image of a BMW car inside Invideo. To do this, hop on to Create Video. From there, you will see Invideo Vision, which is free right now. Click on it. Now here you can create different looks, boards, angles, and shots with your one image. Right now, I'm going with different angles. Here first, we create our project by naming it. Now let's pick our image. So this is a single BMW image I'm using, and the prompt is set for creating different angles for the image. Now let's generate. You can generate unlimited free amounts of images right now using Invideo Vision, as you see. Now it will take a few seconds. Alright, as you see right now, it generated me 9 different ultra high quality images of that same BMW image I gave. Like, bro, look at the details of the car. It's so realistic and accurate. Now you can use these images to make different video angle shots. Another way to generate images is text to prompt. Let me show you. Like before that, I had this image of a BMW which I downloaded from Pinterest. Now I'm going to show you how I changed this BMW's environment completely. For that, I created another project. Now from here, I uploaded that reference image. Now what I'm going to do is select the best image generation model right now, Nano Banana Pro for that. Enable this unlimited option if you want. Yes, you can generate unlimited amounts of images using Nano Banana Pro in Invideo. Once after that, paste this prompt here, which I will leave in my description, and hit generate. Within a few seconds, it generated me that angle I wanted to generate. Look how realistic this came. Now what we're gonna do is attach this image with the reference image to get our next image consistent. Now change the prompt to this for the next angle and hit generate again. And in a few seconds, we got our image ready with another angle. By doing that again and again, we got our 8 different angles of our BMW car. Once after we got the images, we also need the last frame of the image to make a perfect camera movement of the car, or either we can use directly Kling 2.6 model to make the video. But I prefer the last and first last video formats for making this kind of shot video, so I have generated some more images of the same BMW to match the last frame. Now we are set to make videos with those images. So for that, we create another project, and from here I'm going to select Kling 2.5 Turbo. Now export the first and last frame of that BMW image, and here I paste this prompt. Don't worry, all these prompts are in my description. You can check them after this video. With that, I hit generate, and in a few seconds I get this shot. Like, bro, it looks like a professional cinematographer recorded the video. Like, this is so clean and professional. With the same process, I have generated several shots of the BMW and rearranged and edited them on CapCut and made this speed ramp edit. And that's all with one image. Now for some beginners who want to start using AI in their YouTube or creating something with AI, but don't know how, like, which model is best, how to define characters or anything. Invideo AI's video creator is perfect for them. Like, from here, you just type your idea. What do you want to make? Style or anything you want to describe. Just describe. And Invideo will automatically choose models based on your prompt and the style you want. Also, there is a ton of workflows you can choose from to create content. For example, you can create UGC-style videos by choosing any characters from here, or you can clone your own. There are lots of categories you will find in workflows. Let's make one. So here I found this animation video workflow. All I need to do right now is give it a story I wanted to create, so I pasted this text. Create a 2-minute Disney Pixar-style story of a little boy who ran away from his mountain village, found a secret master in the jungle, and became the greatest ninja warrior. That's it. That's all I need to write. Now here I can customize things, like if I need clips from Invideo's stock footage or only AI-generated clips. I go with AI-generated clips. Here select the style to Disney Pixar. Background music is cinematic adventure style. Select the language to English. Use clean subtitles with no outline. On voice, select female. Clear American voice with the narrator. Now once after everything looks good, I simply tap on proceed and it will start analyzing everything. And within a few minutes, it generated me a full 2-minute long video with the subtitles I chose.
In a quiet mountain village, wrapped in morning mist, young Kiko always felt a little out of step. While other children raced through rice paddies and learned familiar chores.
Now the best part is, after generating the video, if you don't like some parts, you can literally edit that part in the timeline as you want. You can choose the part you want to replace, tell what you want instead, and in a few seconds, it will give you exactly what you tell. So there you have a strong base of AI generation tool that you can use to make like anything. With Invideo AI, you will get unlimited image generation for 1 year and access to up to 70+ AI models to level up your editing workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to visit Invideo.io website link in my description. Till then, peace again.